This is a cloud function which will help you in converting your HTML document into PDF on Firebase by using Firebase functions, data cloud functions. So if you see here's the example of how it's work. Basically, this is a code. First of all, you will get the HTML string from anywhere. For example, you can load from your file. Just you have to load your HTML string and then convert into base64. When you convert this string into base64, and just you have to create a simple post request where you have to declare a variable base64 HTML and pass that string. Now what will happen? You will go to this URL will be changed in the production. For example, here will be your project name, and here where region you deploy your in which region you're deploying your cloud function, and this will be remain same until in case if you change the name of cloud function. And this will be this IP will be also changed according to your application name. As I am working on local development locally, so this will be 127.10, but it will change according to your application name, which you are using where you want to deploy this function. How you will this is a cloud function name HTML base64 to PDF base64 cloud function, where we post the data and we get the response, and response have a file which is basically a base64 string. And you can now you have a base64 string PDF here. You can use it to whatever you do. You want to store in your database, you can store this string. In case I am writing directly on the file, so you can see I am directly writing this base64 string into the file. In case of error, it will throw the error, and if it will be successful, it will save it. Now if you see the function, so here is a simple function, a function in which basically onRequest will deal with the requests. When it received, it will trigger. This is the name of a function. But if you change the name of this function, it will also affect the URL of a function, Firebase functions, cloud functions. Now we are importing 3 logger. Basically we use for logging, where we can ignore this. OnRequest module basically listen for the requests on the server of Firebase, and whenever they receive a request, this function will be triggered. When this function will be triggered, I am using Puppeteer. Puppeteer basically headless browser version which we use for converting HTML to PDF. So here we have to use Puppeteer and create the instance of a Puppeteer, and no sandbox, and these are some settings which I have set for the browser. Now we are looking for a request. If request method is not post, then we will respond that please use a post method. And we also checking whether the user is sending base64 HTML or not, and then we respond accordingly. Now here, as you know, we are sending the base64 HTML. I am converting that base64 HTML to simple HTML string, simple HTML file, HTML string, and then we are setting opening the browser and setting the content of browser with that HTML. Now we are creating the PDF file, which is a buffer, which is a representation of PDF. And here we created a buffer where we decided, which is a form A4 common format, which is used for which is basically normally used for the print. And this is a print. It will print a background as well, and basically whichever HTML you provide. And then we, after setting this, we will send response. We will send the response where in the JSON format, where type is PDF encoding. This is just for date, and this is the main file. We are converting that buffer into base44 string. Buffer is also a representation which is used for data, representing data. So we can represent as a buffer, and then we can represent that buffer into base64 string. and then we close the browser. In case of an error, we can deal with those errors. So the limitation of the script is that you must send all the information in HTML file. If you have some custom styling in the HTML, to remember you will have to provide inline styling or styling inside the style tag. You cannot choose any style, for example, external style sheet. In case you want to use the external style sheet, you will have to use URL. For in case of you want to use external style sheet, you must have to remember that you have to use URL. You have to use exact URL instead of relative or URL reference to do reference reference to your file etc etc. Now let's run the now run the script. Here we run the script, and here's the binary profile is generated, and you can see this is a PDF which is generated by the Cloud Function. But just a note, make sure if you are using external style sheet, then you should provide the exact URL. For example, http abc.com/abc.css, because because the CSS you most likely in your local system it cannot access according to that domain, or it is domain like. So basically, if you're providing, you must provide every style in style tag, and everything you want to provide you should provide here. As for image, make sure to use base64 string for source for image instead of direct. For example, you must use, you don't use source like abcsc, it will not print us images. Instead you have to use the base64 style, base64 like base64 string to pass it to image. So this is on my side. If you have any question, leave it leave your comment. I will see and respond after seeing the, if you have any problem facing related to this project. Thank you.